Wildly Vivacious and doing a review on the Penny Skateboard. I got my customized at pennyskateboards.com, and I got the black deck with pink bolts. I also got pink panel stickers I just put on yesterday, pink trucks, and they all come with yellow bushings. I got ABAC 7 bearings, pink and black swirl wheels, and the packaging came in this box, and inside this box was this box. And this box is so beautiful. Look at that. Penny Skateboard. And inside this box I got grip tape. I didn't know how grippy the waffle pattern plastic board would be, so I decided to get the grip tape. It came with stickers and a lookbook. This just has a bunch of their products, and they are now launching a clothing line, so that would be pretty cool. Look at that. And it also came with a certificate of authenticity, so that's pretty awesome. So, the site pennyskateboards.com, I decided to get it customized, and it was around $133 plus shipping. I decided to get ground shipping. I didn't want to pay an extra $10 or $15. I already paid $130. So, I mean, the ground shipping took about, let's see, I got it, no, I didn't get it, well, Friday, and then I received it yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, so about 2 weeks. So riding the skateboard, if you're a first time skateboarder and you know how to balance yourself on a regular skateboard, I think you do pretty good. I know how to balance myself on a regular skateboard, but I'm not, a really big fan of those tricks and stuff. So I decided to get something just to cruise around in. And yeah, I mean, the ride is really, really, really soft. The wheels are so gummy. I love it. I'm so in love with this board. I would really, really recommend getting something like this if you just want to get around, cruise around. This is not really meant for tricks and stuff, but I've seen some videos of people doing tricks on it, so you can go ahead and do that. There is also a penny nickel. It's bigger than the penny, 27 inches, I think by 7. I'm not really sure. And when you put your feet on this board, they're gonna hang off the board, so don't be scared about that. I mean, the first time me riding this board, it was kind of scary because it was pretty small and I couldn't really get my balance very well. But I'm pretty sure that in a while, as soon as I start practicing on it, I'll get really good at it. So there's nothing to worry about that. And yeah, this is my review. I am going to be posting some videos of me riding the skateboard. So let's go ahead and subscribe, and there will be more videos of me, not just the penny. Go ahead and subscribe. Bye, guys.